Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to do a science experiment. For this science experiment, you may need your parents' help and make sure you sit a little far and higher to the experiment things. For this, you need a metal cup. Don't use a plastic one because I am going to pour fire and gas. You need gas, candle, agarbatti or any stick, a matchbox, and dishwashing soap and some water. So let's start. For this, I am going to pour some water into the metal cup. Now add a little bit of soap. Make sure you are using liquid one. Do not mix it. Now take the gas can and now do it like that. Now take your candle and now I'm going to light it. Make sure you're careful. Did you see? The fire was on the water for a few seconds. Can you see that? Until the gas gets over. Inside the water again. And now I'm going to switch off the lights. Now I'm going to switch off the lights. Let's watch.
The stick.
Don't put the matchstick directly. Can you see it? That's it for today's video.